Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the maximum deposit limit on Robinhood. The question of Robinhood's maximum deposit limit is important for anyone managing their investments on the platform. The simple answer is that the maximum deposit limit is not a single, fixed number for everyone, as it depends on the type of deposit and whether you have a Robinhood Gold subscription. First, let's talk about instant deposits, which give you immediate access to trade with a portion of your pending bank transfer. For most self-directed investing accounts, standard accounts, no Robinhood Gold, typically have an instant deposit limit of up to $1,000 daily, or 2 times your portfolio value, whichever is greater, if your portfolio is over $1,000. Robinhood Gold subscribers get much higher limits, starting at up to $5,000 daily, or 3 times your portfolio value, if your portfolio is over $1,000, whichever is greater. However, the key word here is instant. This refers to the money available for immediate trading, not the total amount you can transfer. For full deposits via Automated Clearing House, or ACH, which typically take a few business days to fully settle, the daily deposit limit for an originated ACH transfer is often $50,000 or $250,000, depending on your account standing, which is the amount you can transfer from your linked bank account into Robinhood in a single day. For non-originated ACH transfers, transfers initiated by an external party using your Robinhood account details, the limit is $250,000 daily. It is crucial to know that all deposit and withdrawal limits, including the specific figures for your account, can be viewed directly within the Robinhood app under the Transfers section and then Transfer Limits. These limits are subject to change based on your account history and standing. In summary, your instant deposit limit for immediate trading is relatively small but increases significantly with Robinhood Gold and your portfolio size. The total amount you can deposit daily via a full bank transfer, which takes a few days to clear, is much higher, potentially up to $250,000. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.